So the ingredients are 130 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 60 grams of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, about 230 milliliters of milk, about 5 Straatsburgerwurstchen, or also known as hot dogs, and the oil that you're going to use to fry the corn dogs in. We're going to use some sunflower oil, but you can choose whatever oil you like. First, we're going to start off by mixing the dry ingredients. The flour. I shouldn't have done that so violently. Flour everywhere. The cornmeal, salt, and baking powder. Optional, you can season it with some herbs, spices, whatever you like. I'm just going to season it with a little bit of pepper and paprika powder, because I love paprika powder. Again, this is completely optional and completely unnecessary. Take a whisk and give it a good stir, that all of the ingredients are mixed. After that, crack your egg in there, then add your milk and give it a good whisk. Whisk until you have something like this, a batter with nice consistency and perfect for frying. Take your hot dogs and cut them into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to make them quite small so they're nice and cute. There you go. At this point, it's almost time to fry the corn dogs. Take a pot and put it on a fire. Lower it to medium-low and pour a quite good amount of oil in there. Make sure it's enough oil that your corn dogs are submerged. Now let your oil get hot. You can check if the oil is hot enough by taking a skewer or a chopstick and putting it in the oil. If it starts forming bubbles, that means that your oil is ready. I've transferred the batter into a larger cup so that I can dip the hot dogs a bit easier. I'm going to take a skewer and put it in the hot dog, not too far. You can also do this with a fork, but I find it a bit too messy because there are too many pointy bits. So I'm going to do it with a skewer. Cover it with batter, let it drip off, and then put it in the oil. Let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and then just repeat the process for the rest of your hot dogs. Keep an eye on your corn dogs and just keep turning them until they're nice and golden brown. Once the corn dog is nice and golden brown, take it out of the oil and transfer it to a plate covered with kitchen paper. And there you have it, super cute and super delicious mini corn dog.